Hi, today everyone is talking about AI, artificial intelligence, and ML, machine learning, and companies including the big giants are doing lot of investments to develop the AI and machine learning systems. And we already seen many success stories too for the systems and use cases which are created from AI and machine learning and already helping people in their day-to-day life. So there are a lot of expectations about the potential capabilities of this new technology. However, you may ask this question that why AI and machine learning suddenly gets the hype and why all of a sudden everyone jumping in this technology and investing huge amount to develop this technology. Well, because of the most important ingredients of this technology, which is data. Actually, lot of data. And today, data is everywhere. Every digital system which is connected to internet is collecting data. Every action in social media is recorded. When we are clicking pictures, uploading it into the social media, tagging peoples, everything is recorded. This is called user-generated data, and thanks to internet and social media and applications services who always collects those data from you. And because of that, the volume of this data is growing exponentially. After this all of data, now the focus is shifting to what we can do with this huge data. How to filter good data to best fit for the machine learning, which can balance the amount of data for better patterns and algorithms, so that we can use those trained models for different applications and services. The another most important ingredient to grow this technology is huge computation power and storage. Can you imagine developing a machine learning system from the home PCs? Suppose you need to process 100k images on your PC to collect information, and if your machine takes 10 seconds to process one image, then you will need around 2 weeks of time to process just 100k images. Imagine the same when you need to process billions of images which are collecting from social media and other services from many billions of people around the world and on the regular basis. This is impossible without super powerful computing power. Hence, another reason of this hype is development of cloud services, which can offer huge computation power and storage too. Altogether help this technology to boom. And at the same time, machine learning utilizing these data information to find patterns automatically. And that is why the huge expectation comes. So hardware is also equally important. You may hear of CPU and GPU. However, CPU is able to handle many of the tasks from your PC. But gamers and content creator knows that playing games or generating graphics smoothly are not possible without a dedicated hardware, which we called GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. This is dedicated high performance hardware to handle fast graphics. Why we are talking about this? Because one of the most common methods to train a machine learning model is deep learning, and that required a lot of dedicated computing power, same like GPU. The GPU technology was initially developed to be used for video games and rendering, but now ML and deep learning is the big use case and being used to develop the trained model. That is why big giant like Nvidia is continuously focusing to develop more and more powerful and faster hardware for the requirement. And trust me, those hardware are actually very costly. Also, other players are investing to develop those hardware systems like Intel and AMD. But cloud can offer these all computing powers and storage on the rental basis. So you do not need to purchase expensive dedicated hardware for your requirements to train any machine learning model. The big giants like Microsoft, AWS and Google Cloud can be used for that purpose on rental payment for the resources and computing power. And this is one of the great alternative for small to medium players. So more and more startups can deep dive into the technology. The last and the most important topic is the development framework, which is evolving. And you need to understand that what you will need to develop those trained modules, and most important to develop those systems, or what you will need to get the job. Well, there are a few high-level programming languages which are helping to develop machine learning models. However, you can also use some piece of codes which are being developed by someone else, maybe an organization or individuals which are open to use. These are called libraries in programming language. So you can directly import them and you can use their functions. For example, Python language, which is well known and includes many open to use libraries. So you do not need to actually write the whole algorithm of those functions, which are already encapsulated inside those libraries, means you can use them straight. Also, there are new type of AI frameworks developing to train machine learning models, and in future those things will be more accessible. This was all about the high-level introduction to the AI, artificial intelligence, and ML, machine learning, and deep learning. I hope these sessions are informative and useful for you. If you did not subscribe till now, then please do subscribe to learn and grow community for regular updates. If this video is helpful, then please like this video, comment on video, and don't forget to share. And I will meet you in the next session. Thank you for watching.